Welcome to my vlog. So mostly my channel is about like daily vlogs, work life, designer life, and yeah, I don't know, like whatever I can just try to like record or document. Oh, something is stopped recording, guys. I don't know why. I think the motor vlog is like common. I think people are so used to it, so they don't bother even if you like go with the camera and all. Only thing that you feel for the first time, like you feel so conscious and you feel nervous little bit and stuff. People never mind. They don't care. They don't give a shit what you are doing in your life. That's because everybody will have their own problem and own shit, right? So why do they bother or care who's doing what? I think for the first time I'm using the motovlog, so my helmet is not like proper fit, guys. I think I have to change the helmet. But yeah, like that also I'll make. I thought of making a video. It's been like I don't know, like it's been like with this GoPro I bought like 1 year ago. Still I haven't used it.
क्या कर रहा है यार तू? मतलब मजाक है क्या?
By the way, I can go this route also, but I'm going the other route because there it's one way. I don't want to like go in a wrong route or one way. I thought I'll just go outer ring road. So by the way, this vlog it will be in Kannada and English. Sorry, oops. Excuse me. I didn't have my breakfast, guys. That's the reason. Yeah. I'm not sure whether it is recording. Seems like it's recording. I can see the red light blinking. I assume it's recording. But I'm not sure. For the first time, right? Probably often if I do it, I'll get an idea how to use GoPro. I'm not very pro to use GoPro. I'm yet to be pro, yet to become a pro. Yeah, I don't know whether it's capturing the, I think the because of the GoPro weight, the helmet is just leaning down. So this is the right way. So if you I even can come that way also, like there it's like it's one way, just like it's about like what 100 200 meter. I don't want to like, I'm doing first time log, and I don't want to mislead you people like showing the wrong direction, and moreover I don't want to get in like, what if someone cop sees my video later, if they see that I'm coming in the wrong direction, you know, I don't want that all scene to be happen. I hope my mic is like recording. I am not so sure. Maybe later when I see the video, maybe I'll come to know whether what is it recorded. Yeah, this is the one way I was talking about, right? So this is my office vlog, or not. I won't say it's an office. Yeah, today I have to go to office, so, and it's little bit far, so I thought like it'll be a journey sort of, so I thought like why can't we record it? I thought like I'll record it. So I hope it's recording, guys. Let me just check once before like yeah, it's recording. Why is it not the front display? It's not, is turning off. Maybe to like for the to avoid the, you know, the battery draining, the consumption. So this is how I go. This is similarly. Oh shit, I think the camera position, it has to be somewhere here. Yes, I think, yes, guys, I think definitely I should upgrade the helmet. So first time, right? So it's fine. So I haven't recorded. I even not even did a like a test shot or something. One video I did at home, but I don't know. GoPro is supposed to be like an outdoor video, right? That's what it's for. So what is it? It doesn't make any sense if you do like a indoor or like indoor videos. I don't know. I hope this should not be like much traffic near Gurgunte Palya. Yeah, there it will be usually like it will be traffic, and definitely to recall where I am. Shit, missed the route. Definitely missed the route. No, 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 no. Now I remember. I think this road is I'm familiar. I think this is the road I'm supposed to take. Go. I'm supposed to go. Hope I'm in the right road. Yes, yes, yes. I think I'm on the right road. Right. Oh shit. Should I have to go that side or this side? I think this side. Yes. I don't know. I usually somehow I reach this road, come via that road, but this time I missed the road. It's because it's been like 1 week. I forgot the route. I'm very bad in like remembering the routes. Not that bad, but slightly bad. Not this road. This, not this road. Still, I need to go further ahead. Yes. See, the roads looks very familiar. Yeah. Dead end. Hope my colleagues were not here. Yes guys, finally I reached the office. So this is IoTail's office. Okay guys, finally I reached my office. I'll catch you guys later.